Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're a space enthusiast like me, I bet you've heard the name Kepler-22b, right? You've probably seen those epic images on Instagram or random TikToks talking about an alien planet or a second Earth. Well, yes, friends, Kepler. 22b actually exists, but what about all those wild stories on social media? You know the ones, you notice? Humans can live there. It's just like Earth. Aliens already settled there. Today, I'm here to break the myths and share what we really know about this mysterious planet. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's explore Kepler 22b together. Yes, friends, Kepler 22b is very real. NASA's Nike Kepler Space Telescope discovered it way back in year 2009, and it got confirmed officially in 2011. It's orbiting a star that's about 600 light years away from Earth, pretty far, in the Cygnus constellation. And its star, it's kind of like our sun, just a bit smaller and cooler. So yeah, it feels familiar, which is probably why so many people get curious about it. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, Rohan, if it's kind of like our sun and it's in the habitable zone, does that mean we could go there? Like actually live there one day? Totally fair question, but the answer is not really. Not yet. Here's the thing. We actually don't know what Kepler-22b is made of. It might be rocky like Earth, or it could be gassy like Neptune. We have no solid evidence about its an atmosphere or its weather, or even if there's land or water. And those amazing dramatic images you see on the internet, yeah, they're not real photos. They're just artist illustrations. Hey, because we haven't actually seen Kepler 22b with a telescope. We know it's there thanks to clever data and light curves, but we haven't snapped a selfie with it yet. Now here's what we do know. It's about 2.4 times the size of Earth. It's sitting in the habitable zone, the area where liquid water could exist. And that alone made it one of the most exciting discoveries when it first came out. But even if we imagine the perfect scenario, and let's say it has liquid water, rocky land, oxygen, maybe even Earth-like weather, we'd still have a problem. The gravity would be intense. Kepler-22b is way bigger than Earth, which means its gravitational pull would be much stronger. You'd feel way heavier. Walking, breathing, moving, that's all harder. Our bodies aren't built for that kind of stress. Over time, it could mess with muscles, bones, even blood flow. Not great. And even if we solve that, there's the distance. Kepler-22b is over 600 light years away. With our current fastest spacecraft, it would take us literally millions of years to get there. We'd need warp drives, wormholes, or some next-level sci-fi tech to even make the trip possible. So no, it's not some Earth 2.0 we can move to tomorrow. But here's why it matters. It's as proof that planets like Earth might exist out there. It gives scientists hope that somewhere in this huge galaxy we might not be alone. Or at least we're not the only blue dot with potential. Pretty wild, right? So now you know. Kepler-22b isn't science fiction. It's science fact. But it's also not a second Earth, yet. We still have a lot to learn, and future space telescopes like James Webb and Habitable Worlds Observatory might give us more clues. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow space nerds. Let me know in the comments. Do you think we'll ever find another Earth, or are we alone in the galaxy? Till next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep looking up.